equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the White Dolphin Conga brush motor. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the essential steps to ensure your motor runs smoothly and efficiently. Let's dive in. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft brush for cleaning, and a multimeter for testing electrical connections. Having these tools ready will make the process much easier. Begin by unplugging the motor from the power source. Safety is paramount, so ensure you follow this step carefully. Once unplugged, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the motor cover. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. With the cover removed, take a moment to inspect the internal components. Look for any signs of wear or damage. If you notice anything unusual, it might be time to consider a professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help identify any issues you may not see. Next, use the soft brush to clean any dust or debris from the internal parts. This is crucial for maintaining optimal performance. Pay special attention to the motor's fan and vents, as these areas can accumulate dirt over time. Now, let's check the electrical connections. Using your multimeter, test the continuity of the wires. If you find any breaks or faults, it's best to consult a professional. Remember, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your motor. Once everything is clean and checked, it's time to reassemble the motor. Carefully place the cover back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tight to prevent any vibrations during operation. Before you plug the motor back in, take a moment to reflect. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. This way, you can make an informed decision without any pressure. Finally, plug the motor back in and test it. Listen for any unusual sounds and check that it operates smoothly. If everything seems in order, congratulations! You've successfully maintained your White Dolphin Conga brush motor. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out. Our services include no calls, no travel, making it easy for you to get the help you need without the hassle. Thank you for following along, and we hope this guide has been helpful in keeping your motor in top shape. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.